Ready to uncover the truth about ClickWages and see if it actually pays or just wastes your time. First, let's visit ClickWages. The initial website layout looks promising, boasting quick earnings and simple tasks. To get started, you'll need to sign up. Usually you'll enter your name, email address, and create a password. Be sure to use an email you don't mind getting marketing emails in. Once inside, you'll likely find a dashboard packed with offers. These can include clicking on ads, completing surveys, watching short videos, or even participating in small tasks. Now, let's try out in action. Many involve answering questions. This can take a while, so be prepared to invest some time for each task. After the task is done, you'll see the earnings credited to your account. Notice how small the amount is for the time spent. Before you celebrate, check the payout section. Many of these sites have high minimum withdrawal amounts and limited payment options. Also, be wary of processing fees. User reviews are mixed. Some report successfully cashing out, while others claim they never received payment or encountered hidden fees. Read reviews carefully. Ultimately, ClickWages and similar sites might offer a small amount of money, but the earnings are generally very low for the time investment. Proceed with caution and manage your expectations.